I know you missed me. I'm just kidding. So let's just talk about the SCRAWLRBox Maybox. This is the first SCRAWLRBox I've ever gotten from them, and I'm very excited to share my first experience with you guys. Of course, this ain't sponsored, and I mean, it's kind of hilarious I say it because, I ain't growing. But yeah. So, can we stop talking and just look at this illustration? I'm gonna be talking more about it later in the video and talking about the artist. They're super talented and you should totally go check them out. They're great. So yeah, I just, I just, I just can't believe what I'm seeing. It's great. I love the style. They're great. I don't know. Oh my god. So, well, the box comes with 2 pieces of paper. We're gonna be talking about the supplies and the paper and everything later. We've got the markers. They're water based, if I'm not wrong. They're like Posca pens because you shake them and they feel and they like just sound like the Posca pens. So I'm guessing they're paint markers. Oh, we've got a pencil, and I think it's Milan, and the eraser is Milan too. So yeah, we've got a sticker and a candy I already ate. I did open the box to take it out and eat it. I was hungry. But that ain't important, is it? Nope. Well, whatever, I'm getting distracted. Yeah, the sticker. It's great. Let's just say that. It's just great. I love it. I'm in love. It's a tiger. Whatever. I mean, okay, I'm done. So yeah, the theme is paper tiger, by the way. Well, let's swatch these babies. So we've got a Milan graphite pencil, and it's great. It's a pencil. I'm more of a mechanical pencil person, but it works anyway. Oh, and that's amazing. it's going too fast, but yeah, that's the Molotov liquid chrome marker. It's an alcohol-based, metallic, of course, marker, and it bleeds through the page. Of course, it does. And these I'm gonna swatch next are the Pilot Painter markers. The Pintor, that means painter in Spanish. It's great. It's a water-based paint marker, just like Posca pens, as I said. And yeah, you can actually write with these 4 choices of markers on any kind of surface you prefer. So they're cool. That's a very opaque white you're gonna see me use later. So the illustrator is very famous actually in the UK. He lives there and he has done artworks for YouTube, Green Day, a lot of other cool things, and his style is just stunning. He deserves so many more followers, so go check him out and yeah, say hi. Here I'm thumbnailing my tiger. So yeah, I just designed a really like badass tiger, and that's what I wanted to go with. I wanted to work with like a very cool tiger rapper or something, but of course my butt cannot stand to have in mind a drawing before drawing it, so I just went in for another sketch directly into the original paper. So of course I did create something totally new because I'm dumb. I don't know, I'm dumb. I'm very dumb. Can we appreciate the 2 skin tones I've got? One on my hand and the other one on my arm. That's because I always wear my hoodie to school and I only get sun on my hands. Hilarious, right? Yes, not really. But yeah, so I went with a badass tiger, and yeah, here you can see I was struggling with the pencil and didn't know how to use pencil behind the paint markers because they're super opaque. Like they're 3 times or 4 times more opaque than the Posca pens. Not really, like 2 times. But yeah, so look at Tiger. I think the sketch came out super stunning. Like I love how badass he is. And I was very excited to paint it, so I taped it all down and just grabbed the colors and started filling everything up. Well, there's not much to say from this part, just that they are not streaky at all. The paint runs so easily. The only problem I would say I had was because of how much pressured air the markers have, that when you just push a little bit like onto the table, the tip, it explodes and all the ink just comes out like crazy. You're gonna see in a minute. I had to use a brush to remove the excess of ink that came out of one of my markers, and that was kind of sad. Look at that. I lost a lot of precious ink there. I didn't lose it because I used it for other stuff, but like when I had to force it to come out before the illustration, I did lose a bit of ink. That's what I didn't like about these markers. I don't have this struggle with the Posca pens. I don't know why, but yeah, it's not a problem like you would worry about like as much as you think. So overall, they're great. They're great markers. My favorite one, I think I would have to say, was the I don't know, maybe the opaque green. Yeah, maybe that one. But yeah, of course I wasn't happy enough with the tiger, so I had to do something similar to the monthly illustration. So I did go with words behind my tiger. So this is basically all I did with my illustration, and it went great. I love it. I love the way it came out. Man, I love that sound. Hope you didn't get too bored watching me create this. So yeah, I give this SCRAWLRBox a 10 out of 10, like very sincerely. Even though they didn't ship the April box to me when I ordered it the first time, but this one got here just fine. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you liked it. You can also follow me on my Instagram. Thanks for sticking around and for giving me watch time. I love you. Bye.